Hi, I'm Stacey Hoffman with Sync Design, Build and Manage. We are seeing take on more and more popularity, especially after the COVID crisis, is the biophilic design trend, which basically means bringing the outdoor in or bringing natural elements to your living environment. And some of the options that we can look at are like a clear tumbled stone, a fossil stone that's very popular in baths for a retreat type feel. Some of the options in terms of like shower floors would be the cut pebble, which used to be more popular as the actual full rounded stone. Now the trend is to cut that in half, so it's a much smoother feel on your feet, yet you still feel the natural texture of the stone. A little bit different take on that is the geometric pattern with the different circles and different size circles. Kind of makes it a little bit more contemporary in feel. Again, and the natural colors are an important element and aspect of this as well, including geometric shapes with a hexagon, some of the geometric shapes with the accent tiles that you can also incorporate into the design. I'm visiting Renovation Flooring today in their showroom in Miramar Beach. They've got extensive product opportunities here, from doll tile, marble systems, a wide range of flooring options, tile options, anything that would meet your needs.